Ruben Kigame mane IEBC otamo chunge kom laro kom ten piny Kenya oramo ni obiro dhi e doho mamalo mogik ka okwedo okang' mar IEBC. Kigame wacho ni duol matayo yiero IEBC omayo jo Kenya thuolo kuom puodho mana jochung' ang'wen kende. Kigame okwayo joherane mondo wuog oko mondo mi olut ombulu.
To the Supreme Court to challenge the presidential polls as soon as they are done. IEBC did not conduct a fair, transparent, and credible nomination of the presidential candidates, and therefore Kenyans have been denied some key candidates of their choice. What IEBC has done is impose 4 candidates on Kenyans, giving them a narrow chance to pick candidates of their choice, and giving 2 of them preferential and exceptional nomination privileges. Again, IEBC is discriminatory, biased, and careless about candidate nomination. Therefore, the process is not fair. As C.J. Maraga said in 2017, I say today, the process of an election is just as important as the results of that election.
Kawadhi nyime jalar kom ten piny gi otiko mar agano mano David Mwaure